coming together nice. This is the one that dropped a valve, messed up the crank, obviously damaged the head, put a huge hole in a piston, so we went ahead and did a full rebuild on it. Still got to do the perimeter seal here for the head gasket. But it's got 6 new liner kits in it. New crankshaft, new head. Well, we sent out a different head to have it remanned. They surfaced it, ground the valve seats, magnafluxed it, put new injector tubes in it. Getting ready to lower it back down to a reasonable height. I've got it about 3 feet off the ground right now. It made it easier to do the bottom end on the cradle. Still got to put the flywheel on, and I do not want to lift the flywheel that high to put it on there because this is an automatic, so it's got the big, heavy flywheel. But, it's looking good. Here's the head is all assembled and ready to go. There's that engine that I was originally going to rebuild, but it had the spun bearings in it. That's my air horn for the new one. It's got the exhaust over there ready to go. Looks good. Should run as good as it looks. I was a little optimistic thinking I'll have it going today, but it could be. It could be today. If not, for sure, first thing in the morning tomorrow.